What if Samsung's next Fan Edition phone gave you more power, a better camera, and faster charging, all in one package? Well, the Galaxy S25 FE might just do that, and new leaks have confirmed 3 major upgrades that could make it a big step forward compared to the S24 FE. So, let's talk about what's changing and why this phone could be one of the most exciting Fan Edition models yet. First, let's look at the design. At first glance, the Galaxy S25 FE looks very similar to its predecessor, the S24 FE. The shape, the rear camera layout, and the overall build don't seem too different. But the real story is not in the looks, it's in the upgrades under the hood. And the first big upgrade is the selfie camera. The S25 FE is moving up from a 10 megapixels sensor to a 12 megapixels sensor on the front. That might not sound huge on paper, but it actually matches the selfie cameras of the rest of the Galaxy S25 series. This means sharper selfies, better video calls, and more consistent image quality. The second major upgrade is the battery. Samsung is equipping the new Fan Edition with a 4,900 mAh battery, compared to the 4,700 mAh battery on the S24 FE. Not only is it bigger, but it also makes the phone last longer. And here's the best part. Despite having a bigger battery, the S25 FE is around 20 grams lighter than last year's model, weighing in at just 190 grams. That's a pretty smart improvement. And then comes the third big upgrade, charging speed. The new Fan Edition supports 45-watt wired charging, which is a huge jump from the 25-watt speed on the S24 FE. That means you'll spend less time plugged into a charger and more time actually using your phone. Now let's talk about the rest of the specs. On the back, the phone still carries the same triple camera setup as last year. A 50 megapixels primary camera with optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. However, Samsung is giving it an upgraded AI per visual engine, which should process photos and videos better than before, delivering more detail and cleaner shots. Inside, the phone runs on the Exynos 2400 processor, which is slightly faster than the Exynos 2400E used in the S24 FE. You'll still get 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, but a 256 GB version might also be available. Software-wise, the S25 FE will come with Android 15 and One UI 7.0 right out of the box. Samsung is also promising up to 7 years of Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches, which is impressive for long-term use. Some of the software features include Gemini Live, audio eraser, and generative AI-powered image editing. The display is another highlight. It's a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It also has an in-display fingerprint reader, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, and an Armor aluminum frame. Plus, with an IP68 rating, the phone is protected against water and dust. Samsung will sell the phone in 4 colors: black, dark blue, light blue, and white, but don't expect a charger in the box. You'll only get the phone, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector pin. As for the price, a listing from a Portuguese retailer shows it at €789.99, which is around $860. The launch could happen around IFA 2025, which kicks off on September 4th. So, to sum it up, the Galaxy S25 FE brings a sharper selfie camera, a bigger 4,900 mAh battery, and faster 45-watt charging, all while being lighter than last year's model. Combine that with Samsung's promise of 7 years of updates, and you're looking at a solid package for anyone who wants a flagship-like phone at a lower price. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you consider the S25 FE, or do you feel like Samsung could have done more? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to keep up with the latest leaks and smartphone launches, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.